Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gus & Cho Associates. I want to talk to you because about a question I'm answering today. Do underwriters want to close loans? That's the question. It seems like they don't sometimes, but let me explain how the process works so people can understand. I get a lot of questions on this, and I thought this was a good time to address it. So the job of a loan officer is to get all your docs, analyze you from their best experience, look at all the stuff that they possibly can, and give you, with a high probability, that an underwriter will see the same thing that they saw and approve you. So the loan officer that pre-approves you and writes the pre-approval letter doesn't make the decision on the loan and isn't responsible for approving or denying you. So it has to go to an underwriter. And that underwriter isn't there to deny you. They want to approve you, but they have to do their due diligence. They have a license, and their license is protected only by their quality of their work. So if they have buybacks, which means that their loan they go to sell it to FHA or to VA or to whoever they're selling it to, and they say, we don't like this. You guys didn't ask for this document, and this document would have denied this loan. So they have to ask for things and ask for things. So the more complicated your file is, the more things they're going to ask for and dig into. If you have IRS liens and judgments and credit lates and lots of mortgage lates and cash deposits and weird income, they're going to be hard on your file, and it's going to appear to you that they're terrorizing you, and they don't want to close it, but they are just making sure they have all the paperwork just right, where someone's going to say, I'll buy this loan because you asked for this because you saw this, and you asked for that because you saw that. So there's things that they have to go through, kind of a checklist, and that's what they're doing to you. They're not trying to deny your loan. If you have a complicated file, again, you are going to be asked for a lot of pieces of paper, and sometimes you're not going to get exactly what the underwriter is asking for because there's specific documents that they need, and it's going to seem like they're trying to deny your loan, and they're not. Now, if they get to the brick wall where they can't approve it, like, oh, we found this judgment for $100,000. Do you have $100,000 to pay it off? No, then we can't close your loan. So there's brick walls where they have to deny you, and that's not something they want to do. They're not looking to deny your loan. They're looking to protect their license and make sure this loan's sellable. So don't think that the underwriter's against you, even though sometimes it seems like that, but they're not. They're just protecting themselves and protecting their company they work for from not having a purchase back of that mortgage. These banks don't want to be carrying this note because that's money that they could be using to churn another loan. So when they carry a mortgage, they lose money on this. So they usually end up selling it for a big loss at like 60% of the value of the loan. So $400,000 loan, they'll sell it to someone for $240,000. They lose $160,000 just right off the bat. That's a big chunk of change for a bank to lose. And the more buybacks the underwriter has under her belt, the more likely she is to get fired. FHA might strip her over FHA rights, same with VA. So that's what they're doing. They're not looking to deny you. They're looking to cross their T's and dot their I's. So mortgage loan officer doesn't approve you because he says you're good. Doesn't mean you've gotten to the finish line. The underwriter makes the decision, and the underwriter represents the person who's going to give the money. I represent you, and sometimes I represent the guy who represents the money. It depends what investor I'm using and how that works. But I can't approve your loan or deny your loan. I can just predict that I think this one's going to work, and I'm really good at it. So if you need someone who's really good at it, give me a call anytime. 630-915-7550. I'll help you, and please subscribe.